Are you ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier heart? Ever wondered if the foods you eat could truly make a difference in combating heart disease? Get ready to discover the ultimate guide to 17 heart-healthy foods that could revolutionize your cardiovascular well-being. Stick around as we answer your burning questions and unveil the key to a healthier heart. Heart disease stands as a formidable opponent to our health, affecting millions worldwide. But what exactly is it? Simply put, heart disease encompasses a range of conditions that impact the heart's function. From coronary artery disease to heart failure, these conditions can significantly impair our quality of life and, in severe cases, prove fatal. Heart disease isn't just a concern. It's a global epidemic. According to the World Health Organization, it remains the leading cause of death worldwide, claiming over 17 million lives annually. The numbers are staggering, highlighting the urgent need for effective prevention strategies. While genetics and lifestyle factors play a role, perhaps one of the most influential factors in preventing heart disease is our diet. What we eat directly impacts our cardiovascular health, either contributing to or combating the risk factors associated with heart disease. With this understanding, the importance of making heart-healthy food choices becomes undeniable. Join us as we explore the transformative power of nutrition in the fight against heart disease. The 17 heart-healthy foods that could be your allies in this fight. These foods aren't just ordinary items on your grocery list. They're nutritional powerhouses packed with the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your heart craves. Oats are a rich source of soluble fiber, which helps lower LDL cholesterol levels. By reducing cholesterol levels, oats can lower the risk of heart disease and improve overall heart health. Enjoy a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and nuts for a delicious and heart-healthy breakfast. Alternatively, use oats to make homemade granola bars or add them to smoothies for an extra fiber boost. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin D. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Grill or bake salmon with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of herbs for a simple and nutritious meal. Try pairing it with steamed vegetables and quinoa for a heart-healthy dinner option. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. Antioxidants in berries help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to heart disease. Enjoy berries as a snack on their own, or add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Blend them into smoothies or make homemade berry compote to top pancakes or waffles. Nuts are high in unsaturated fats, protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Eating nuts regularly can lower LDL cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve overall heart health. Snack on a handful of mixed nuts for a quick and satisfying snack, or sprinkle them over salads and yogurt. Use nut butter as a spread on whole grain toast, or incorporate nuts into homemade granola or trail mix. Leafy greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. The high fiber and antioxidant content of leafy greens can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Incorporate leafy greens into salads, sandwiches, wraps, or smoothies. Saute them with garlic and olive oil as a side dish, or add them to soups and stir-fries for added nutrition. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, and vitamins. The monounsaturated fats in avocados can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Enjoy avocado slices on toast, sandwiches, or salads. Mash avocado with lime juice and spices to make guacamole, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture. Legumes are excellent sources of protein, fiber, complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. The fiber, protein, and antioxidants in legumes can help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar levels, and improve heart health. Use legumes in soups, stews, salads, and chili. Cook them as a side dish or main course, or blend them into dips like hummus or bean spreads. Whole grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The fiber and nutrients in whole grains can help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporate whole grains into meals by using them as a base for salads, stir-fries, or grain bowls. Cook them as a side dish or main course, or use them to make homemade bread, pasta, or baked goods. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals like lycopene. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes, can help reduce inflammation, lower LDL cholesterol levels, and improve heart health. Enjoy tomatoes raw in salads, sandwiches, or salsas. Cook them into sauces, soups, or stews, or roast them with herbs and olive oil for a flavorful side dish. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, antioxidants, and minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. The flavonoids in dark chocolate can help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Enjoy dark chocolate as a small treat on its own, or use it in baking, desserts, or hot cocoa. Look for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content for maximum health benefits. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. Use olive oil as a cooking oil or salad dressing, or drizzle it over vegetables, pasta, or bread. Incorporate it into marinades, sauces, or dips for added flavor and heart-healthy benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, as well as caffeine and various vitamins and minerals. The catechins in green tea can help reduce inflammation, lower LDL cholesterol levels, and improve heart health. Enjoy green tea as a hot or cold beverage, or use it as a base for smoothies, iced teas, or cocktails. Experiment with different flavors and varieties to find your favorite. Fatty fish like mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish can help reduce inflammation, lower triglyceride levels, and improve heart health. Grill, bake, or broil fatty fish with herbs and spices for a flavorful and heart-healthy meal. Serve it with roasted vegetables, whole grains, or a side salad for a balanced plate. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, and various vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C and antioxidants in oranges can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Enjoy oranges as a snack on their own, or add them to salads, smoothies, or fruit salads. Use orange zest or juice in marinades, dressings, or sauces for added flavor and nutrition. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds, antioxidants, and various vitamins and minerals. The sulfur compounds in garlic can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve heart health. Add minced or chopped garlic to savory dishes like soups, stews, stir-fries, sauces, or marinades. Roast whole garlic cloves for a milder and sweeter flavor, or use garlic powder or granules for convenience. Red wine contains antioxidants like resveratrol, as well as flavonoids and various vitamins and minerals. Resveratrol and other antioxidants in red wine can help reduce inflammation, increase HDL, good cholesterol levels, and improve heart health when consumed in moderation. Enjoy a glass of red wine with meals or as a standalone beverage in moderation, typically 1 glass per day for women and up to 2 glasses per day for men. Pair red wine with heart-healthy foods like lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for maximum benefit. Broccoli is rich in fiber, vitamins, especially vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants like sulforaphane. The fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in broccoli can help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and improve heart health. Enjoy broccoli steamed, roasted, grilled, or stir-fried as a side dish or main course. Add it to salads, soups, casseroles, or pasta dishes for added nutrition and flavor. Experiment with different seasonings, sauces, and cooking methods to find your favorite way to enjoy broccoli. Incorporating these 17 heart-healthy foods into your diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower cholesterol levels, decrease inflammation, and improve overall heart health. Whether you're enjoying a delicious piece of salmon, sipping on a cup of green tea, or indulging in a square of dark chocolate, each of these foods brings its unique set of nutrients and benefits to the table. So, start incorporating these heart-healthy foods into your meals and snacks today and take proactive steps towards a healthier heart and a happier life. Check this video out for a simple natural remedy to lower cholesterol fast and improve circulation.